All right, for the next live technical analysis video, we're going to do Swftcoin, SWFTC, and I'm going to hand it over to Crypto Poppy.
All right, we have Swftcoin paired with the US dollar. Weekly time frame data is coming in from none other but Coinbase. You could see here it was listed on Coinbase July 18th, 2022, and we instantly dumped. We went sideways throughout the rest of 2022 into 2023. All the way through 2023 before getting a little life put in the token in 2023, moving to the upside throughout 2024, creating an all-time high on the Coinbase chart for Swift token in early 2024, dumping back down, trying to come up to challenge that previous all-time high, getting rejected back down, going sideways through the rest of 2024, into 2024, going parabolic, moving and creating a new all-time high before getting dumped back down. Here comes January, the start of 2025. Yeah, we went absolutely parabolic, roughly to almost 5 cents per token before rejecting and getting rejected all the way back down from roughly 5 cents down to under a penny, a fraction of a penny, before coming back up to almost 2 pennies, just chopping around, coming sideways, stair-stepping our way down. And we're currently plugging in some lows for Swift token. So let's adjust our chart to look at current price action. You could see here slightly range bound between our horizontal rays, right, which we've been range bound before, broke below it before starting to go parabolic. And that's what we've done. We've re-entered that range, broke above it, couldn't get candle bodies to close. We broke below it, closed a couple candle bodies right below, trying to get back in that range, getting rejected, coming back below. And you could see here, we came below and then we started going parabolic, retesting before moving up to the upside. So we could potentially do that same thing as long as we're holding strong here on our purple, I guess that's our price action. But as long as we hold decent here and we don't start breaking down to the downside here with our trend line to the downside, even though we start going into the negatives if we go too low, as long as we start to curve this around and start coming into the up, coming back into this this price range here, we could potentially start getting thrown up and tossed up a little bit higher. But again, a token like this revolves around the liquidity, the money going into it. And then again, what's Bitcoin doing? Because this is already listed on Coinbase. What's Bitcoin doing, right? We need to start moving up to the upside. We really can't plot a trend line down below to start guiding us to the upside just because we don't have that much price action and there's not very many wicks going on. When we go sideways, we go sideways. So let's take a look here from current price action to the bottom of our box of range boundness, which is our blue horizontal ray, is 30% movement to the upside. To the top of that range, which is another blue horizontal ray, is about 98% movement to the upside. Then to our white horizontal ray, which lines up with some price action here to the left, is about 236% movement to the upside. So again, amazing upside potential, very minimal downside potential, even though the percentage would probably be astronomical. 50% movement to the downside. And that would just put us here, right where we were early 2024. So 45% movement to the downside. But if we break below that, we're going to still continue slightly lower. So this doesn't have an amazing setup, but if you are a fan of Swftcoin, if you've been dollar cost averaging, buying into this token and your average price is below current market price, hey, beautiful opportunity to buy. If your average price is above current market price, I would say sit on your hands, put that money elsewhere. You know what I mean? You don't necessarily need to run out and buy some more because that potential capital will go a lot further if we do dump that 45%. Now you could buy 45% more tokens than you would just by sitting on your hands for a couple of weeks, couple of months, whatever it may be. So Swftcoin looks halfway decent. If you're not in it, I probably wouldn't look to get into it. But again, if you're in it, like I just said, take a look at your average cost, take a look at current price and see where you're at. Is it a time to sit on your hands, or is it a time to deploy capital? Not financial advice. And good luck to you.
All right, guys. So, I mean, it seems like this coin has been trading since early 2018, so it's been around for a while. Yeah.
Wow.
It seems like the current market cap on it is about $38 to $55 million, so it's pretty low. So it wouldn't take too much money to start getting this coin going, and the circulator supply is about 10 billion tokens.
Nice.
So,
not bad.
you know, not too bad, not too bad.